Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to check the SSD temperature in Windows 11 without using any third-party software. Windows 11 includes a built-in storage health feature that allows you to quickly view the temperature of supported SSD in just a few seconds. To begin, click on a start button, then click settings, then click system in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on storage on the right sidebar. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Now scroll down and click on advanced storage settings. Now click on disks and volumes. After that, beside your SSD, click on properties button. Under drive health, you will see the temperature of your SSD on your Windows 11. That's all about this video. Bye.